Today, I'm going to be showing you how to put together your brand new IV chair. It comes with 6 parts and it's very easy to put together. Let's go. So here we have the right side panel for the chair. This one has the USB-C, USB-A for charging, and it has the headrest and leg rest adjustment buttons. Also, it has a reset button when you want to set your chair back to normal. Here we have the left side. This one has the IV chair logo. And then we have the backrest with the adjustable headrest that can lock into place. And lastly, we have the base plus leg rest. We've went ahead and assembled it so it could be easier to put together for this video. We're gonna start off by adding on our USB side because we're gonna have to attach this cable on the underside. So all you have to do, and it'll be a little bit easier to see on this side, these slots, they have to have these slots on the side piece slid into. So we're gonna align those and drop them in. Now, from the side, you can see right here that we have to attach these 2 pieces. So this actually has a really cool locking mechanism. So we can just bring them together and then lock them in place so they don't come apart. Now let's get the other side panel on, lock that into place. And now we have to add the backrest. The backrest will actually have a zippered section and a Velcro section. So under this Velcro side, you'll be able to see right here that there are metal things that you will slide onto on the back as well. This Velcro will just cover up anything that's going on behind. And on the other side, you have this zippered section right here. On the base section, there's another zipper side that you can see right here, and they will attach together. Once you have the chair all together and plugged up, you're gonna want to recline the chair, and then you'll be able to zip them together easily. And lock that in, you can close up the Velcro. So here you can see we have our plug and battery assembly. You can use this battery if you want to use the chair separately, not always having to be connected to power, or you can plug it up directly with the power switch. So on the bottom of the chair, you'll see this cable right here, right next to where you plugged in the USB-C panel. And what we're gonna do is set this chair up with the battery package. On the battery package, there will be an in and an out on it. We're gonna wanna set the chair up to go into the out. And then we lock that in, and then we can take our power switch and bring that one in, lock it in, and now our chair is ready to be plugged up. Once plugged up, you can use the side panel to adjust the backrest. Bring this backrest all the way as far as you can, and then it'll reveal this portion that you need to zip to get the chair to be together. Now we're going to find both parts of the zipper right here. We have this portion and then this portion. Pull it together like a jacket, and then we can zip it all the way down, and your chair is ready. Let's bring it back to this main setup. You can press both buttons forward to adjust the headrest and leg rest outward as you need. And when you're ready for the chair to recline, you can press the reset button to have it all come together. And that's how you set up your new IV chair.